What's up, guys? This is Kel Media GH, and today I'm here with another trick on how you use Sofascore to win your betting. Your betting. So what you do here is that first, if you are using an iOS, just go to your App Store and download your Sofascore. If you are using a Play Store, Android, go to Play Store and download your Sofascore. After that, open the Sofascore. Please make sure to subscribe, like and share and comment. You see, this matches today we'll be having some Inter and Genoa. That's rare. Yes. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Sofascore. To see the team that can win or score first. The team that can score first. Okay. The team to score first goal. The team that can score first in the match. So every team that you choose, you must know whether they can score first or they cannot. So this is the trick that I'm going to show you. After opening the Sofascore, you tap on any match. So let's see Genoa and Inter, and head over to matches. The backside, swipe down, you will see first to score. Okay, because of my network, there is no loading, so you just tap on the badge. First to score, you see down there it has appeared Inter. First to score, Inter, and they have scored them 7 out of 7 whenever they meet. Okay, so this means that Inter can score first in this match. Okay, so let's move on to Milan and Udinese. We head over to matches. We come down. So you see that this one, first to score, they have Udinese, because Milan is not good at scoring at first. They are not good at all. That one there. Please subscribe and share. They are not good. So they have given it to Udinese. But both teams scoring, you see them, is actually working for Udinese. They always score. But remember, they can also score first. So in this case, you can do it both teams to score or Udinese over 0.5. You understand that? Yes, let's move over to Hoffenheim and then Stuttgart. So matches, you scroll down. You see, for these people there, you can see that they don't actually like scoring first. Nobody actually likes scoring first. But you can see first team to concede a goal. First team to concede a goal is, Stuttgart. They always like conceding a goal. So with these tips here, this will help you to